All right, good afternoon. Today we're unpacking our BHT 2000 Brocuda grinder from the factory. Remove the packing. You'll notice that you have an operator's manual. Take time to look through chapters 2 and 3, operations and maintenance. You have a complete seal kit. Comes with the unit for repair. You have a spanner wrench and you have a set of flange nuts for 1-inch and 2-inch wheels that come with the Brocuda. During unpacking, you'll have the guard and you'll have the unit itself. It's recommended that prior to hooking up, ensure that all fittings are tight on your BHT 2000 and nothing loosened during shipping. We don't need oil leaks. Setting up of the guard, which is important for the fact that it will protect you. Place it down on the detent, swivel, and you can tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the 5/8 11 thread protector. This time you can put on any type of grinding wheel, cup wheel, wire wheel. The one thing to ensure is that you have a backup wrench and that the wheel is placed on securely. Ensure that it is all the way down on the threads and locked into place. At this time you can adjust your guard to the most suitable position for your usage. Handle can be swapped from either side. The unit is ready to be placed into service. Okay, your Brocuda BHT 2000 can use standard grinding wheels and breeching wheels. Right now we're going to install a 7/8 arbor. You check, ensure that the flange nuts, the 7/8 will go down first. You want to ensure that everything is tight before you put the blade on. Place your spanner wrench, check your nut, make sure it is tight and seated all the way down. Place your blade with direction of travel. Your secondary flange nut goes on top to make sure that it is locked in place. Again, it's very important to use the spanner wrench and a backup wrench to ensure that everything is tight. And during operations, it's a good idea to keep checking and make sure that the unit has not loosened through vibration and centrifugal force. Now ready to use your Brocuda BHT 2000 with a metal cutter. Always ensure that your fittings are clean on the end.
Give them a tug, make sure they're secure tight. You're gonna wanna add some tie backs just in case if these hoses were to burst, you have something retaining them. But of course, every safety policy is different at every company, so you might wanna check what your company's best practices. Depending on the style of whips you have, some companies have these steel, some companies use line. But you do want to have a whip check available for any hydraulic fitting. You want to ensure that your intake and your exhaust is running the same way or the correct way, and your fittings are clean also.